Today we'll talk about equality and AMH. The most commonest question which I am getting is, Doctor, my AMH is very low, 0.5, 0.3 or maybe 0.6. How to improve AMH? This is the most commonest question. Unfortunately, AMH level cannot be improved. There can be lab to lab variation, but per se a low AMH cannot be improvised to normal. So first we should understand what is AMH. So AMH is nothing but anti-Mullerian hormone. It tells you about the existing ovarian reserve. This particular ovarian reserve is not constant. As age increases, the ovarian reserve gradually drops. Periods becomes, the flow duration reduces, and ultimately the period stops. So AMH is a reflection of the egg reserve. In a men, the sperm production happens daily, whereas in women, the egg production does not happen daily. There is a fixed ovarian reserve pool which is produced at birth, and from birth the ovarian pool reduces, the ovarian reserve reduces. So there is no way you can improve an AMH, or maybe you can even maintain AMH. Only for people with polycystic ovarian disease, the AMH stays the same for longer time. The rest of the people, the AMH actually falls. Whether you have baby, whether you don't have baby, the AMH falls. And if your AMH is low, there is no way you can improve AMH. Whatever medicine you take, whatever injection you take, you can never improve the AMH level. So with whatever available AMH, you have to do treatment. If you have an AMH of say 1.5 or 1.4, kindly do not delay the treatment. Try to start treatment as early as possible, because as your age increases, the AMH is going to drop. The next important thing is, if your age is less than 30, your AMH is 0.3 or 4, your clock is ticking, try to start IVF as early as possible, try to extract eggs, accumulate embryos and then transfer. If your age is more than 40, AMH is low, it is better to go with donor oocyte program unless you have the resources and time to afford multiple IVF cycles. If your age is more than 40 and low AMH, the number of attempts to get success is going to be higher. So it is better if you decide for donor egg in case you have low AMH and high age. Or if you have resources, you can try with your own eggs.